Okay, so first I'm going to start with the valgus and varus wrist stress test. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be placing, so you can see it, I'm going to place a valgus force on his wrist, and if there's pain, that's going to indicate a radial-collateral ligament damage, and then I'm going to do a varus force, and this would be placing, a positive sign would be pain on the ulnar side, and this can indicate an ulnar collateral ligament damage. Next, I'm going to do a finger valgus and varus stress test. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make sure I stabilize his finger. Hold your hand up. And again, I'm going to place valgus and varus stress. Obviously, his finger is not going to move because his finger is not torn. So pain can indicate a collateral ligament sprain or damage. Next, I'm going to do the flexor digitorum profundus. Flexor digitorum superficial test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I place my. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the patient flex one of his fingers up, the one that I think is hurt, and I'm going to place my finger right here on his palm, and I'm going to place pressure on the rest of the fingers and ask him to flex his finger up. And if he were unable to flex the damaged finger up, this could indicate a flexor digitorum superfundus that is torn. Next, I'm going to do the flexor digitorum profundus test, and for this one, I'm going to place my hand kind of like right here, and I'm going to ask him to flex his DIP joint up. So basically, just flex your finger, and I'm going to see if he is able to move his finger. And if he is not able to, this could indicate a flexor digitorum profundus if that's torn. Next, I'm going to do the Finkelstein's test. So what I'm going to have the patient do is I'm going to have him make a fist and tuck his thumb in, okay? And I'm going to just place, I'm going to just put pressure on his wrist and ulnar deviate his hand. And basically pain is going to indicate that he has, the pain can indicate that he has de Quervain's disease. Yes.